Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the basic of HTML. What are HTML? What are tag? What is the basic of HTML? So, what are required to run the HTML code? So, HTML. First of all, HTML. HTML is basically a hypertext markup language. It is a markup language, not a programming language. Okay, it is for creating a web pages. We already discussed about what are web pages. So HTML is a skeleton, like a skeleton, which which are used to create a web pages. Okay, uh, theory are there, you can read it, but main points are structures. The main structure of HTML. Here you can see doc type HTML. Doc type means uh, doc type means an HTML type. mm, Doc type describe about HTML. This document type. It is a basically so it is a document, HTML document. Okay, HTML tag means all the all the HTML tags inside the HTML. So it here you can say here the doc type declaration define the document is an HTML5 document. HTML5 document, it shows HTML document. Okay, HTML is a root element of HTML page. HTML page root element of HTML page. Okay, HTML and head element contain meta information about the HTML page. Meta information all is contained in inside the head section. So another title basically shows the title of the web page. Okay, body where our content are, right, image paragraph, content, like that. H1 tag is a tag which shows the heading of the web pages, and paragraph tag. All these tags are discussing. Okay, HTML tag, HTML element. What is HTML element? Tag name and tag name, opening tag and closing tag, all is called a tag name, a tag element, HTML element. So after when we write a source code, then you can easily understand. So two things are required. One are text editor and another is browsers. Text editor like Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, Notepad, C++, like that. Text editor where we can write our source code. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, these are the browsers where our web page can display it. Okay, so download the any of text editor. First I recommended to you, download the Sublime Text. Go to the Chrome and any browser and search up for the Sublime Text. Okay, Sublime Text and download. Click on the link and download for the Windows. Download it, and simply after downloading you can install easily. I already have a Sublime Text, so I can't download. So download and simply install it. Okay, after installing, open our Text Sublime Text. Open, first open it. My already okay, you saw the first user interface after opening it. Okay, and save it. Control S, pop-up is coming. Then you can create a file where we can store all the web, all the folder about web development. So I my in my case I go to F drive, and I already created a folder web development. So click here, and I also create a new folder. You create any new folder like hello world. So hello world, hello, suppose. Okay, create it, and after creating folder, then you can save it like index.html. Index is a .html, where html is a extension which shows the this file are the html document. Okay, and save it. After saving, you can see here html index.html in index.html. Okay, so go to our first uh, greater than sign, and it's here many suggestions are coming. Then click enter, simply enter all the this is a basically a structure of html. So I already discussed about it. Once again, I already discussed doc type. Doc type, this line, first line shows doc type. Doc type means what type of document is r. Okay, what type of document, so that is html document. Okay, that are html document. Or second line html, that is the root of the html tag. Okay, here in between all our codes are writing. So each tag is a all contain meta information. I will discuss um, in future. And here title tag shows the where we can write our title of the web pages, like that, like home page. Okay, and body section, you can body section, you can write p tag helps to paragraph hello world. Okay, this is the first our code. Run it. How run it? Mm, Open our folder where we save it. I save it here. I save it here. F drive and Flutter. No. Web development and hello, and HTML, and click it. Open in a browser. You can see no any data is coming, because you can see a dot. That means this is not saving. Control S to changes. Control S, save it first, and then refresh our web pages again. Here you can see here hello world. This is our first html program. Okay, and also you can see home page in a title. Here we can say a title. That means title tag. All these opening and closing tag are called what? HTML element. And only these are called tags. Okay, so title tag are basically used to title of our web pages. And body, you know about body, all the white spaces here to here full, these are body. So in body we use a um, paragraph tag and print it a hello world. We can also use here br tag, b tag, b tag. These b tag are also clause, also required clause. And after clause, save it. Control S, and this and again refresh it. You can see here it is changing. That means bold. So today for enough, I'll I will discuss all the important tag in in our next video. So please like my video and comment it in any problem. And okay, thank you.